How to make an Instagram post shareable. If you want other people to share your posts on their Instagram stories, you need to adjust a few settings. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and look for Account Privacy. If your account is set to private, people will not be able to share your posts. To allow sharing, switch your account to public. Now, go back to the main settings page and find the option called Sharing and Reuse. Tap on it, and you will see different sharing settings. Look for Allow Post and Reel Sharing to Stories. Turn this option on. This will allow other people to share your posts and reels on their Instagram stories. Your username will always appear when your content is shared. Once this setting is enabled, your posts will be shareable, and more people will be able to see your content. That's how to make an Instagram post shareable.